My name's Paul Beyer. This is our weekly learning lab. We've been doing this over for 2 years, and we're a bunch of Gen AI addicts. And welcome to our crew. Um, Folks that have known us, we're an analyst firm. Think of us as a mini Gartner for Gen AI, but we also really believe in community and stuff here. We've been getting a lot more feedback in other meetings and this meeting as well to do some prompts. So I'm going to do 2 prompts right now, and I know there's people on the audience that can improve them. So let me start with 2 here. And one of them is analyze a website. I don't think we did this before. Um, so we use here at our company, we use ChatGPT Teams, but this is the paid version. So this is a prompt of creating a prompt. So we've certainly been teaching this a lot in the Gen AI things. Instead of just having to learn all this super complicated prompting, have AI create the prompt here. So create a prompt to analyze our business conference site, gaiworld.com, for effectiveness and driving visitors. So we're first telling it to create the prompt. I'm just going to use 4.0 for now. And 4.0 is one of those non-reasoning models, so it comes back quickly here. And this is the long prompt. Here's a prompt, target audience. It's decided some of the pain points and motivations. It's decided some of the analysis categories. And then usually I have to, again, cut and paste this into a new chat session here. But lately, I've been able to just run this right from the end. Would you like me to run this analysis? Yes, yes. Please run this. Rosemary, have you been doing this? And do you have a view on, is this
Uh,
decent analysis?
all the time.
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah, I actually I stopped like last year fussing over prompts and just let ChatGPT write them.
yeah. So this is it. So it's come back and analyze it quickly here. Here's the value proposition, conversion. Um, I'm looking for improvable. Oh, here's a recommendation. So add succinct hero banner. They've recommended we improve our hero banner. Um, Feature the team table better. We have a lot. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 companies who have bought tables and bring in their whole cross-functional AI team. So the AI is recommending to highlight that better. Add in a download. So here's a scoring. So that was one error. We've got particularly lead capture low on that. Would you like me to mock up optimize CTA? So it's suggesting new things here. Let's say have it analyze the mobile experience. And again, the same thing. It's gone very quickly here. If we went to O3, the reasoning model would have taken a lot longer. Um, yeah, go ahead, Igor, go ahead.
I have a question. Which is better, ChatGPT or Microsoft Copilot?
That's a great question, Igor. I use about 7 different models, Copilot and Perplexity, Gemini. I continue to find myself going back to Custom GPT. It's got more features. I find the answers more relevant to me. But I know people have different opinions here. It's hands down what companies are telling us way better than Copilot. So we know multiple companies that are either not using Copilot or stop using Copilot or evaluate them both. And there's such a strong preference in employees to go with Custom GPT or
Okay, thank you so
ChatGPT.
much. Thank you so much, Paul.
Yeah, great. So here's the strengths on the mobile one. It's recommending that. So that was good example of that. And I want to show you one more. I continue to find myself just not pushing the robots enough. So for instance, on our website, we have a draft agenda. And here's one of the ones we were playing with over the weekend here. So for each panel or speaker on this agenda, so the agenda looks like this. So here's what we have on the website today. The team's, just we're starting to pull together here, draft it up. We have, I don't know, we've about 100, I think 100 speakers, and we've got maybe 20 of the initial panels on the website today. And what I want to do is be able to start marketing each individual panel, but have a really good clickbait or hook for each of those sessions here. But I want the robots to do it. So I'm going to say for each panel or speaker on this agenda on this web page, and here's the thing. Come up with a clickbait title for each session that can be used in individual emails or an infographic. So here I'm pointing it to a website. It's going to read the website. And here's views from a board member. So that's the first one over here. That was our kind of generic human one, if you will, the carbon brain. And the digital brain, the AI brain, the LLM brains recommending how this CEO room secrets. That doesn't make a lot of sense. Secrets dives. That one doesn't make any sense. Second one is spills. So this is a little too clicky for me.
Well, it's maybe sensitive to the words you use. Like as if you say clickbait versus,
Yeah.
catchy or provocative or something. So suddenly it goes from Twitterish kind of clickbait to something that may be more serious.
Paul, I've been seeing a lot of mixed metaphors in what I'm getting from ChatGPT, and I'm seeing that here too, which is kind of interesting. I mean, like that, shakes, explosive, it's like mixing in all these buzzy words, and you just end up with this mixed metaphor that isn't really good, creative.
Yeah. I'll do one last thing and we'll get moving here. So I'm going to redo the titles with business that are business and serious, but drive high click rate. Don't mix metaphors. I've been doing this. I have no idea if this works. I always say impress me. So we'll see if this does a better job. Rosie, Rosemary, you have your hand up?
Sure. So I have found a lot more success with content when I say the words no AI polish and be authentic. And that just flips the way it writes.
That's really good. No, I say it again. No AI.
No AI polish and be authentic.
What boards and CEOs are really doing about Gen AI. Yeah, that's great. Well, good. Anyway, so those are two things here. Thank you on the audience.